Hello and welcome to this Aimlabs Aimbot tutorial. This video will show you how to get the aimbot running. If you need any help, don't hesitate to add me on Discord. All the links, code and settings will be linked in the description, but first, how does the bot work? It will take an image of your screen and looks through it to detect a target by checking the color of certain pixels. The pixels are checked in a specified range. So in this case it detected the target on the middle left first, because the bot checks from the left to the right and top to bottom. The bot moves to the target, shoots it and moves back to the initial position. After that it will take a new image and check for the updated targets. To get this bot running we need to install Python and an integrated development environment of your choice. We will use Pycharm. Later on we will import my Aimlabs settings. In order to do that we go to the Python website and install Python version 3.10. Click on Windows Installer 64-bit, after the download, open it. Click on Add Python to Path and then install. To check if the installation was successful, open CMD and type Python version. If the Python version shows up, everything is set and we can continue to the next step. Now we are going to install Pycharm, or you can use any other IDE of your choice. Just head to the Pycharm website and download the community version. Click through the setup and create a new project. Now we have to select the right Python interpreter. A Python file should have been automatically created by Pycharm and we can test run it. Copy the code from GitHub, which is linked in the description, and paste it into our IDE. Now that we have the code, we have to install all the necessary libraries. Open the terminal like in the video and enter command after command. No errors should appear after trying to run the code again. Next we're going to import the right Aimlabs settings. In order to do that, go to my GitHub again and download the JSON file. Open your File Explorer and your save file should be under C user's username appdata localhost state space aimlab_tb. Replace the Windows Player settings data file with the downloaded one. Restart Aimlabs and your settings should be applied. In case that method didn't work for you, you can manually change all your settings to the one I am showing you right now. Now that we have completed all the steps, we can go back to Pycharm and run the bot again. In case your bot doesn't hit the target, adjust your sensitivity on Aimlabs or change your DPI to 1600. Thank you for watching.